Well, on a high level for today, one of your bigger impacts is going to be high wind starting tonight. We're also pretty warm and rainy today, and then we have more rain coming on its way for the rest of the week. Let's start with those winds, though, because they are going to be somewhat impactful today. So much so that we have a wind advisory in effect for most of our region. These wind advisories start at 7 p.m. and go through 7 a.m. tomorrow for gusts upwards of 45 to 55 miles per hour. So definitely something to look out for starting this evening into tonight. These winds coming in from the west or southwest and moving their way again through really the entire region here. Sustained winds about 20 to 25 miles per hour with those gusts again 45 to 55. The majority of this overnight tonight, and then by tomorrow morning is when they're the strongest, and they pretty quickly clear out by tomorrow later morning and into the afternoon. So you can see by Tuesday things really much calmer. Just be extra cautious with how much rain we've gotten the past few days. The wet ground could cause the potential for some trees to fall over in these windy conditions. Speaking of rain, we're getting more today. We've got rain coming its way through for about 11 o'clock this morning. This nice band here. We're going to see rain through our lowlands and then some snow hitting some of our mountains. We're going to see most of our snowfall for the next week today and then Wednesday in the very beginning. And then we start warming up and we see most of that moisture fall as rain instead. So we get some rain today and then we get a break tomorrow. Tomorrow is really a nice break from everything, right? We get a break from the wind, we get a break from the rain. But then Tuesday night into Wednesday, we see another little system move its way through, and that brings us more rain and snow. So like I mentioned at first, that's going to be similar to today where we're seeing rain in the lowlands and then snow up in the mountains. As the day continues though and we warm up, it starts falling more as rain everywhere. The snow levels go up to 5,000 to 7,000 feet, which means most of our mountains are going to be getting rain, some even intensely. So it's feeling a lot more like fall than winter. We're seeing this rain instead of snow because of our temperatures. Right now, we're 41 here in Spokane, 43 in Coeur d'Alene, and we're warming up pretty significantly today. 50 degrees is a potential here in Spokane. This is significantly above average, about 15 degrees above average, and that's why we're seeing that rain instead of that snow. As we look forward to the rest of the week, we stick warm just like that, and we stick with those chances of rain as well. So kind of fall-like temperatures for your winter.